In this video, I'll show you how to enable the FPS counter in the NVIDIA app. First, make sure you have the NVIDIA app installed on your system. Then open your Start menu, search for NVIDIA, and launch the app. Once it's open, go to the left-hand side and click on Settings. At the top, ensure that the NVIDIA overlay is turned on and enabled. Next, press Alt+Z on your keyboard to open the overlay. From there, scroll down and click on Statistics. This is where you'll find all the options related to the FPS counter. Now, take note of the shortcut Alt+R. This key combination toggles the FPS counter on and off. If you press Alt+R, you'll see the counter appear or disappear at the top of your screen. If you want to change how the FPS counter looks, use Alt+Shift+R. This shortcut cycles through different layouts, allowing you to switch between multiple display styles while you're in-game. At this point, you can launch any game and use these shortcuts to enable and customize the FPS counter in real time. One important thing to keep in mind: if the FPS counter shows not applicable, you'll need to fix that through the NVIDIA control panel. To do this, right-click on your desktop, select Show More Options, and open the NVIDIA control panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Manage 3D Settings, then go to the Program Settings tab. Here, make sure your game is added to the list. If it's not there, click Add, then Browse, and locate the game's executable.exe file. After adding the game, restart it, and the FPS counter should display correctly. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.